Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Honor X6, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. On the first theme, in my humble top, is Niagara launcher, so just find it. Niagara launcher and click install. Okay, then click open, wait a while, and great, click agree and continue. Click choose here your favorite apps and click OK. And great. So as you can see, here we have our favorite apps on the home screen, and here we have alphabetical line. Using this alphabetical line, we can choose any of applications. For example, if you want to find the app gallery, so just swipe your finger to A, and here you will see your app market. If you want to find the Facebook, for example, swipe your finger to F button. If you want to find the Play Store, just swipe to P button, and here is the Play Store. So in this way you can really fast searching for unnecessary applications. So great. Then on the second place in my tab is Smart Launcher 6. So just find it. Smart Launcher 6. Tap search, install, and wait a while. As you can see, Smart Launcher 6 was successfully installed. So now just click get started, I agree, confirm, continue, while using the app, hello, choose suggested wallpapers, and great. So here we have a really beautiful interface on this launcher. So the interface is really beautiful. Here we have the gallery of beautiful wallpapers here. So wait for it. So here we have really beautiful free wallpapers gallery. If you want to find beautiful wallpapers, for free, you can install this launcher. Here you have apps grouping feature. So here we have contacts, internet, media, games, utilities, and settings. And here we have smart search and news. So I really like this launcher because it's pretty, it's beautiful, and it's handy to use. And of course, if you want to find an application, you just you can use just normal search. So I like it too. But the best launcher for your device is your native Huawei launcher. Your native Honor launcher, because it's really pretty and it's have lightweight, so your smartphone don't need to be powerful to load with this launcher. And this launcher is really beautiful. Here we have fine cool tips and tricks to use this launcher. For example, in gallery we can stop favorite photos here, or in recently photos. We can use in this way our clock application and other native applications, for example Notepad. This launcher we can set up too. For example we can set up cards here, we can set up transmissions, we can set up the layout of our launcher. For example, we can set up 5 to 6. We can enable card bar. So I really like card bar because card bar is really great feature. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.